This tutorial will demonstrate how to access dissertations produced at institutions around the world. Start at the library website www.surrey.ac.uk/library. Type in keywords relevant to the topic you are interested in. And click to search. Sign in to SurreySearch at the top right hand corner of the screen. To limit your results to just dissertations, use the filters on the right hand side of the screen. Scroll down to Resource Type and choose Dissertations. The results list will then show only dissertations. To access the full text of a dissertation, click Full Text Available. You'll then be able to read the full text of the dissertation. Be aware that some dissertations will have been produced for doctoral level studies or PhDs. For example, this one is for the degree of Doctor of Education. For further guidance, check out our tutorial Using Dissertations, available on the library's YouTube channel or via the library website.